Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Brexit looms, but can the UK handle it? Analysis http ntvforex.com News ID 8B646B910 2024 49:44 am. This week another round of Brexit discussion is taking place in London. Trade talks have had a high degree of friction since the very beginning, and now Prime Minister Boris Johnson is considering cutting ties with the European Union altogether. While the rest of the United Kingdom has been battling existing and new Brexit red tape and lockdowns induced from COVID-19, the next blow to the economy should be here by year-end. At this stage there are four options for the UK-EU talks to take. One path leads to a harmonious relationship that allows free trade should both parties agree to all terms, an almost impossible scenario. The next is for an Australian-style deal, as Boris says, effectively a relationship that does not incorporate free trade principles. The third variation is something similar to the agreement between the EU and Canada. In this scenario, tariffs are abolished but paperwork and customs requirements. The fourth is the no-deal option, meaning tariffs, quotas, and consequentially higher prices on imports and exports regardless of the goods. The cost to the British economy has been thoroughly speculated on. Early estimates just for leaving the EU were in the 5% range of future income. A no-deal scenario could very easily reach 8% or beyond. The timeline for this impairment to the economy is also challenging to muster. Most analysts are making guesstimates in the realm of decades, with the most uniform models hovering in the 15-year bracket. With only one of four options, you would hope the decision would be more comfortable, but 4 years on from the Brexit referendum, the choices still feel just as limited. No matter which way it ends up swinging, trade relationships will likely be tarnished not only between the EU and the UK but other global nations as well. Right now the opinions are divided on where this falls. The most transparent information is really the end date, and even that is sketchy at best with all the extensions and delays that have been seen repeatedly. Boris Johnson is aiming for a mid-October deal, citing that if an agreement can't be made on free trade, then there likely will never be one. The big picture consideration is, can the United Kingdom handle a Brexit right now when the backdrop of crisis or pandemic in this instance is still running rampant? For currency traders, the strength and weaknesses of the UK and the EU economies will stand out the most on the Euro. For me, the best analogy that I've seen so far has compared the UK to a cup of tea. The tea gets more potent with the tea bag in, with it out, it's a weak tea never to strengthen. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.